quarter between Generation of Sankey versus Zone 1 Ballers. Barrios inbounding pass to Reynancia. Reynancia attempting for 3. No good. Rebound by Barrios. Barrios is still by Guevara. Guevara dribble the ball. Guevara jump. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos pass to Reynancia. Back to De Los Santos. It's a jump ball. Last 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Guevara inbounding pass to De La Rosa, jump, no good, rebound by Guevara. Barrios pass to Reynancia, pass to Reyna attempting for 3, no good, rebound by Abogado, jump. No kill, rebound by De Los Santos, pass to Reynancia. Pass De Los Santos, jump, no good. Good for 2 points, De Los Santos. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds remaining time. Abogado pass to De La Rosa. Jersey number 9, De Los Santos. Blocking foul, first personal foul. First team foul. Jersey number 2, Barrios, warning for technical, for delaying the game. De La Rosa attempting for 3, no good. Rebound by De La Rosa again. De La Rosa is still by Barrios. Barrios pass to. Turnover lasts 1 minute and 45 seconds. De La Rosa pass to Guevara. Guevara pass to Abogado. No good. Rebound by De La Rosa. No good again. Rebound by De La Rosa again. De La Rosa pass to Abogado. Abogado jump. No good. Rebound by Abogado. Abogado jump again. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Barrios pass to Reynancia. Reynancia dribble the ball. Reynancia. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Barrios pass to Reynancia. Reynancia attempting for 3. No good. Rebound by Abogado. Abogado pass to Guevara. Guevara dribble the ball. Guevara pass to Abogado. Abogado attempting for 3. Good for 3 points, Abogado. Guevara pass to Abogado. Abogado dribble the ball. Abogado. Last 1 minute. Good for 2 points, De La Rosa. Reynancia dribble the ball. Reynancia pass De Los Santos. De Los Santos jump. Good for 2 points, De Los Santos. Last 46 seconds. Still by Reynancia. Reynancia attempting for 3. No good. Turnover last 38 seconds remaining time before the end of the first quarter. Guevara pass Abogado. Abogado attempting for 3. No good. No good. Rebound by Guevara dribble the ball. Guevara jump. No good. Guevara looking for receiver, pass Abogado. Abogado pass De La Rosa is still by Barrios. Pass to De Los Santos, pass to Reynancia. Last 24 seconds remaining time before the end of the first quarter. De Los Santos jump, good for 2 points. De Los Santos. Abogado dribble the ball. Abogado pass to Guevara. Guevara dribble the ball. Guevara back to Abogado. Last 10 seconds. No good. Rebound by Barrios. Pass to Reynancia. Last 5 seconds. No good.
Alright, begin. beginning of the second quarter, Team Generation of Zenki Ball. Batinas in bowling, pass to Lavaro, back to Batinas. Batinas is still by Abogado. Abogado dribbling the ball, pass it to La Rosa. It's still by Riobal. Riobal dribbling the ball. Riobal, pass to Lavaro. Lavaro is still by Abogado, pass to Greta. Greta dribbling the ball. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds, no good. Save ball. Check ball. Step by De La Rosa. Pass to Greta. Greta strikes. Good for it. 2 points. Greta. Rio ball. Pass to Labaro. Strikes. No good. Rebound by Abogado. Abogado. Pass to Ujins. Batinas in bowling, pass to Riobal. Riobal, no good. Turn over. Last 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Abogado in bowling, pass to Greta. Greta drives. Good point. 2 points. Greta. Labaro. Labaro dribbling the ball. Labaro. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Batinas strikes. No good. Rebound by Riobal. Riobal pass to Labaro. Labaro pass to Batinas. Good for 2 points. Batinas. Abogado pass to De La Rosa. Good for 2 points. De La Rosa. Labaro pass to Batinas. Batinas pass to Riobal. Riobal brother. Riobal dribbling the ball. It's a 3 seconds violation committed by Labaro. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds running time. Official score 11-8. 3 points lead by TN. $41. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds. Abogado is still by Batinas. Batinas looking for receiver. Pass to Riobal. Riobal pass to Labaro. Tried. Still get rebound by De La Rosa. Pass to Greta. Greta throwing the ball. Last 50 seconds. Greta tries. No get rebound by Riobal. Riobal pass to Batinas. Batinas tries. Too short. Rebound by Labaro for the second throw. Good for 2 points. De La Rosa throwing the ball, pass to Greta. Last 30 seconds. Greta drives. No good. Rebound by Batinas. Batinas pass to Labaro. Last 22 seconds. Batinas 15-second shot clock. Riobal attempting for 3. No good. Rebound by Abogado. Abogado pass to Greta. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds, too short, rebound by Batinas. Bola is still by De La Rosa. And of the first quarter.
Beginning of the second half or third quarter. Zone 1 ballers ball. Abogado inbounding pass to Guevara. Guevara dribble the ball. Guevara. Guevara back to Abogado. Abogado dribble the ball. Abogado is still by Labaro. Labaro dribble the ball. Labaro pass to Reynancia. Reynancia pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos jump. Good for 2 points. De Los Santos. De La Rosa pass to Abogado. Abogado back to De La Rosa. De La Rosa back to Abogado. Abogado back to De La Rosa. De La Rosa jump. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos pass to Reynancia. Reynancia dribble the ball. Reynancia. Reynancia jump. No good. Rebound by Abogado. Abogado pass to Guevara. Guevara attempting for 3. No good. Rebound by Guevara again. Guevara. Dribbling violation committed by Guevara. Last 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Reynancia inbounding pass to Labrador. Labaro jump. No. Abogado jump. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 8, Labaro. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot awarded to Abogado. Last 1 minute and 59 seconds remaining time before the end of the third quarter. No good, rebound by De La Rosa. De La Rosa, pass to Reynancia. Reynancia jump. Good for 2 points, Reynancia. Reynancia pass to Abogado. Abogado dribble the ball. Abogado back to De La Rosa. De La Rosa jump. Good for nothing. Same ball lasts 1 minute and 40 seconds. De La Rosa attempting for 3. No good. Rebound by Labaro. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos pass to Reynancia. Reynancia attempting for 3. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. Turnover lasts 1 minute and 26 seconds. Same ball. Same ball. Labaro pass to Reynancia. Reynancia dribble ball. Reynancia pass to Labaro. Labaro jump. Good for 2 points. Labaro. Rebound by De La Rosa. De La Rosa pass Abogado. Abogado drives. No good. Rebound by Labaro. Labaro pass to Reynancia. Reynancia jump. Good for 3 points. Abogado pass to Guevara. Last 57 seconds. Guevara. Last 16 seconds to shoot. Last 53 seconds in time before the end of the third quarter. Same ball. Last 12 seconds to shoot. Abogado pass to De La Rosa. De La Rosa pass to Guevara. Guevara jump. Good for 2 points. Guevara. Last 40 seconds. Reynancia jump. No good. Rebound by De La Rosa. De La Rosa dribble the ball. De La Rosa pass to Guevara. Guevara jump. No good. Rebound by Labrador. Good for 3 points. De La Rosa dribble the ball. De La Rosa pass to Abogado. Abogado dribble the ball. Abogado jump. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos pass to Reynancia. Last 10 seconds. Good for 3 points. Last 5 seconds. De La Rosa pass to Guevara. Pass to De La Rosa. De La Rosa attempting for 3. No!
Beginning of the last and final quarter. Net running time. Of course, reminder for both team, meron kayong dalawang timeout. Reynancia is still by De La Rosa. Pass to Greta. Greta dribbling the ball. Greta pass to De La Rosa. It's a loose ball. Turn over. Last 7 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time. De Los Santos drives. No good. Rebound by Reynancia. Reynancia dribbling the ball. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Barrios good for 2 points. Last 7 minutes and 28 seconds before the end of the game. Guevara for the free shots, good for 2 points. Reynancia, no good, rebound by De Los Santos, good for 2 points. De Los Santos, last 7 minutes and 11 seconds. Guevara, pass to De Los Santos. Check ball is still by Barrios. Barrios, pass to Reinancia, to De Los Santos. De Los Santos, bola. Barrios, pass to Reinancia, back to Barrios. No good, rebound by Guevara. Guevara, pass to Greta. Greta, dribbling the ball, drives. No good, last 1 minute and 40 seconds. De Los Santos, drives, good for 2 points. De Los Santos. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. No good, rebound by Guevara. Guevara drives, good for 2 points. Guevara, last 1 minute and 20 seconds before the end of the game. Reinancia, dribbling the ball, pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos drives, good for 2 points. De Los Santos, last 1 minute. De Los Reyes. De Los Once again, last 59 seconds. Greta in bowling, pass to De La Rosa. No good, rebound by Greta. Greta dribbling the ball. Greta pass to Guevara. Good for 2 points. Guevara. Last 45 seconds. Reinancia pass to Riobal. Riobal dribbling the ball. Back to Reinancia. 15 seconds to shoot. Still by Guevara. Drive too short. Rebound by Pinas. Pass to Reinancia to Riobal. Bang bang. Good for 3 points. Last 25 seconds. Good for 3 points. Greta. Last 15 seconds. Good for 3 points. Reinancia. Last 10 seconds. Good for 2 points. De La Rosa. End of the game. Final score 26-39. Winner team Generation of Zenki. Congratulations. And of course, thank you so much for team Zone 1 Bowler.